I have had a report that we need to add an item to the sidebar used by all of the TAD web pages. And I'm going to try to do this in real time, making no cuts, no edits. Just, I have a little shortcut here in my toolbar. I know that the path is to go to Appearance and Editor. These are things I've learned. Template Parts, and on this list is the TAD sidebar, which we're going to edit. And index of book review authors should be on the, I guess it's not a link. Did I fail to make a link? No, book review authors. Okay, aims and scope of traditional discovery book review authors. Well, let's just make sure. What I'll do is take the link and break the link, and now add a link and index. Okay, authors, book review authors. Okay, and we want this to say index of book review authors, index of book review authors. Okay, and save the template. Now I need to go to the Polanyi Society homepage. Yes, I'm going to go back to my pages navigation, Polanyi Society, look at any of the TAD pages, and here's the index of book review authors. Okay, index of authors. Yes, I need some heading, a subheading for these entries. So I'm going to edit the page and put in right here. This is the title that I use in the native WordPress file list, the list of okay, type to choose a block. Yes, kind of block I want. Well, paragraph. Okay, index of book review authors, and we're going to change that into a heading and make it H4. And I have bad things happening here. Attempting block recovery. That means that something about my HTML that I dumped into this file is unpleasant to the block editing system. And okay, I know from experience that yesterday's experience, WordPress doesn't like me to use divs. They prefer paragraphs. So I'm bringing this over to my wonderful text editor, where I have temporary Unicode files, And where I have been through this before, I'm going to remove all of the div markers. I'm going to find and replace the close div tag, replace them all. You are wrong. /div not found. Can it be? No, /div. Oh, I know what it is. No, I don't know what it is. Okay. That's better. 11 items replaced. Interesting. And, well, let's see. Oh, here I am up at the top. Control replace. Replace them all. There, 136 items. That's better. And I'm going to replace all of the div tags. And replacing them all with nothing. I should have 147. Excellent. And now I'm going to save this, copy it, go back to this is the code editor, and paste into the HTML editor, just looking to see, yes, I've got the good copy. And I'm going to update the page. I suppose maybe I should preview it before I update it. Down to Diane Yeager, the last one, 147 entries. Come back to my editing page and say update. And now, I'm going to exit the code editor and see if I get any more complaints. Not yet. Okay. And one more book review authors. Index of authors has a heading. Oh, I wanted to center it. Okay. Index of reviews. This page needs to be edited. This is the title of the page in the dashboard. I'm using a shorter title there. Here I'm going to again insert a paragraph. This would be index of books reviewed. That's how it appears in the navigation sidebar. And I'm going to choose, again, transform this to a heading. Maybe I'll use H3 and put it in the center and preview that in a new tab. That looks more like the index of authors. So I'm back now on my edit page tab. I'm going to update the published version of the page. Come back here, index of book review authors. Yes, and I want to edit the page, clicking in the toolbar. And click on the block, change this to an H3 and found out that I could center it without any difficulty. I'm going to skip previewing. I'm just going to go to the, what am I going to go to? I haven't got anything here. Okay, preview. All right, let's preview in a new tab. Get to one of the pages, I hope. There. Now, index of authors, index of reviews. I'm not good at clicking. Oh, book review authors. Okay. I'm not sure why we had that little hiccup there. Whether it's me making a mistake, confusing the system. Okay, that's a slightly bigger all right. Well, digital archives. I suppose I could edit this page, put a heading on it as I did on the others. When the system is ready. This is my short title for the dashboard. Come to the end of it, press enter. This, what are we calling this? The digital index of tradition and discovery, something 1972. Okay. To the present. Change from a paragraph to a heading. I'm using heading 3. And centering, well, let's see if we can put in a little new line marker in the middle of the heading, see if that works. May not be a great idea, but let's preview in a new tab. All right, and come back to the edit page, update it. All right. Now that's a little more than I intended to cover in this video. I may have to abandon it and try to do a shorter one another day. It seems to me that all of our items here in the site navigation bar are present and accounted for and working. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it helps, and I wish you all the best.